Okay guys, welcome to this video. This is going to be a short little video. It's going to be showing you guys how to lay this out and how it's all going to work. Okay, so I just want to draw it for you because I find sometimes when you draw it out you can understand it a little bit better. So we're going to talk about the system. Now the system is very simple. This is basic internet marketing. And this is all you need to make money. So if there's other people selling you some crazy stuff, just know you don't need it. Okay, you just need these steps and you can make a lot of money. So I'm going to show you this method. So the first step we need to do here, we're going to draw a little box. This is the first step what we need to do, and that's to pick a product. We need to find a product. So we're going to put product. So this is going to be product. But it's going to put prod, because I can't fit it all in. So that is the first step, and we're going to go over where we're going to pick products from, where we're going to look at products to see if they're good or not. So we're going to cover that in the next video. So the next step we need is something called a squeeze page, like so. This is going to be a squeeze page, and technically a squeeze page is something where we catch email addresses from. So it's going to have something like a headline here. It could have a video. You can get a video squeeze page, or you can just have a headline with an email box, what looks like that, where people come along and they put their email address in it. Now we're going to set this page up. It's going to be very simple to set up. It's going to take literally 10 minutes to set this page up. I'm going to show you how and what we're going to do. But generally on this page, this is to grow a list, because we're going to build a list. Now the reason why we're going to build a list is so we can catch people's email addresses, so we can have like a bunch of clients, okay, and we can sell products to. Now on this squeeze page, what we're going to do is give something away for free, or we're going to help someone. We need to add massive value on this page to get people to opt into our squeeze page. Then the next step is very simple. This is my arrow. We need something called traffic. So we're just going to put a T in here for traffic. Now traffic is people coming to your website, basically. That's all it is. And you can get traffic from a lot of places. You can get it from YouTube, Facebook, Google ads, just about anywhere. You know, you could put a post on your Facebook page, and you know, people's going to look at that page and maybe sign into it. That's traffic. Okay, that's all it is people. So that is the step what we need next. And don't worry, I'm going to cover all these steps in step-by-step tutorials for you. Okay, I'm going to walk you through it so you can do it very simple. And this is what's going to happen. Basically, we're going to get these people from here, this traffic. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to get traffic. And we're going to get these people from traffic, and they're going to come along here, right? And they're going to come to this page. Now, some won't bother with the page, they will just walk away. But hopefully most of them will put their email address in here, okay? And what happens then is they go down here into something called a autoresponder, okay? It's called a list. So let's list. I'm very bad drawing with this sort of pen, okay? So that's a list. And what happens is we capture people's email addresses like that. And over here, we can send them automatic emails. So we can send them 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 emails to go out to them. And they can be selling emails. And what this is going to do is send people from here, and it's going to go up to the product, right? And hopefully by then, because they're going to be pre-warmed, they're going to come out of this, and that's where we make the money. It's a very simple process, and I'm going to walk you through all these steps. So you just need to be dedicated and willing to take action, and you can make money as well. So take massive action, and I will see you in the next video.